Geometry. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6 cm, AC is equal to 7 cm, and BC is equal to 10 cm. The length of median AD is formula AD is equal to 1 by 2 root 2AB square plus 2AC square minus BC square. 1 by 2 root 2 into AB is equal to 6 cm, 2 into 6 the whole square plus 2 into AC square. AC is equal to 7 cm, 2 into 7 the whole square minus BC. BC is equal to 10 cm, 10 the whole square. 1 by 2 root 72 plus 98 minus 100. 1 by 2 root 170 minus 100. 1 by 2 root 70. The length of median AD is equal to root 70 divided by 2 centimeter.